This is a
Mountain Dew review.
Mountain Dew Voodoo 2024 is the 6th Halloween mystery flavor. I think the purple and the interstellar aesthetic is really hitting at home for me. I think this design friggity frickin' slaps, yo. Alright, okay. So some clues we know about this mystery flavor is that it's the second time Mountain Dew has partnered with an official candy brand. So it's not some nebulous candy. I really think that this tastes like a trolley gummy, like a peach ring, or those strawberry puff little motherfuckers that they make. Those are pretty damn good. I think it's delicious. Here's my witch cackle.